is my new camera.
Yeah.
You tak lawa sini. Habis senyap.
Oh, hi.
So far, need to walk just to see the penguin.
Oh my god, guys. So cutie. Hi, Madagascar friends. Hello. So these are my friends. See, it's posing for me. Cool, guys. Are you gonna jump in? Is this one gonna jump in? Oh, it's dinosaur. Isn't it dinosaur? Oh, is dinosaur type of bird?
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Wait, I want to stop.
So tired. Dah baru je kata.
Bro, this is one and only guys. Tengok orang yang kat belakang tu. Angsty mangsty. So we are going to Sky of Aperture, right?
Sky of what?
Aperture. Oh, amphitheater lah. Are you sure? Oh yeah, it is a shock. What a chaos. We shall go down. We are at Penguin Cove again.
Huh? What the?
So we were lost just now. So now we are at the right track.
Sorry guys, I watched the YouTube video lah, but then I also get lost. How you feeling?
Come on in.
Semua aircon.
I think in this place, it's best to go last, okay?
Yeah.
Because it's all aircon. Hearts of Africa. You're gonna see peacock here. Is that flamingos? Look at the face. See these birds? Is Sophie's species.
We are going to watch what show?
I'm not too sure.
Something Predator.
The same spot, okay? Oh my god, look at this!
Hi everyone, welcome to
So fat, but whatever.
Here's a peacock!
What was that?
Yeah.
Zuma.
I'm very tired, guys.
Tired.
But very happy because I see a lot of birds.
Oh my god. Look. Just nice tu.
Tak baik. Paksa gila sih.